Hey there, welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Talk with a Tech. Today, we've got a quick and easy computer tip to help you protect your PC. We all want to keep our systems running smoothly and, more importantly, safe from any potential threats. So, let's jump right into it. 1. Introduction to the MRT. First things first, let's talk about MRT. MRT stands for the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool. It's a built-in utility in Windows that helps you scan and remove malicious software like viruses, trojans, and other malware from your PC. It's a useful tool to have in your arsenal to keep your computer secure. 2. Accessing MRT. Now, to access the MRT, we'll use a simple keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Windows key and then tap the R key. This opens up the Run dialog, which is a handy little tool for running various Windows utilities and applications. 3. Running the MRT. In the Run dialog, type MRT, without the quotes, and hit Enter. This command will execute the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool. 4. MRT Interface. When the MRT opens, you'll see a simple, user-friendly interface. It provides you with a few options, including a quick scan and a full scan. The quick scan is usually sufficient for regular checks. Click on Next to proceed. 5. Scanning process. The tool will then begin scanning your computer for any malicious software. This might take some time, depending on the speed of your PC and the number of files to be checked. Just sit back and relax while it does its thing. 6. Results. Once the scan is complete, the MRT will show you the results. If it finds any malicious software, it will prompt you to remove it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to clean.